Hello friends, welcome back to Reviews by Dennis. Today I got another exciting rifle accessory I wanted to bring to your attention. Today I got the TWOD, that's TWOD, TWOD AR-15 gun cleaning large mat and cleaning kit. This is the box that you'll get if you decide to order it for yourself. And it's a really nice mat. It's a neoprene backed mat. This is what it looks like all rolled up. As you see, it's very thick. It's actually stitched on the edge, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart over time. And so you see the neoprene backing there. So it's going to give you a nice secure grip on your countertop, so it's not going to slide around. And on the other side, it's got a nice waterproof coating. It helps resist oil, water, chemicals, and everything, so you don't have to worry about the surface, anything spilling on there while you're cleaning your guns and stuff like that. And what you're going to do is just simply unroll it. And as you see, this is really a large mat. Actually, the size of it's 36 by 12. And this is what it looks like at a distance. And it gives you a full exploded view of the AR-15 with all the parts and accessories on the side here. And it lists everything over here and gives you the full breakdown of everything on this side. I'll include a picture at the end of, it'll probably be a couple photo shots of this up close, so that way you can see it a little bit up close and nicer. But it also comes not only with this nice mat that's really nice, but it comes with a nice gun cleaning kit, which is valuable not only for an AR-15 but for any rifle. And with that kit, it comes with a nice pouch which buttons down, and it comes with two Velcro sided pouches. Both sides are Velcroed, so that way no matter which side you're working with, the other side is nice and secured, so you don't have to worry about your stuff falling out inside. It comes with a nice bore snake, which, as you know, is a very common accessory with cleaning your gun. You want to make sure everything's bored out. It comes with a nice oil bottle. Comes with a double-sided nylon brush. Comes with a little bag of gauze. It does come with the brass cleaning rods and the brushes. And these are all the rods and the brushes. And these simply stick together here. Screwed right onto there. You see, I'm using the one that has the hole in the end there, so that way you can put your fibers through there, so you can really get in there and clean out the end. And there's your swivel end. And I'll show you. Put one of the bristles on there. And you see it screws right on there, real nice, so you can really get in there and clean it out. And everything fits nice and neat in here. And then on the front, you got a nice little mechanism here, quick release mechanism to be able to attach it to, say, your rifle bag. Just going to want to push down to lock it back on there, so you can attach that to, say, your gun bag or whatever. Overall, I think this is a really great product by the TWOD company. I really think this mat's outrageous. I love the fact that it lists 109 parts of the AR-15. I'm going to double it up here so you can see it a little bit closer. There you go. Try to get some light. And it is a heat transferred image here, so you don't have to worry about it smudging. So it's a really good mat over time. Like I said, I'll try to include some pictures at the end here, so that way you can see it up close and personal. And if you're interested in this item for yourself, check out the link in the description below, and I thank you for stopping by today to check out another item here at Reviews by Dennis. Have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.